What are you doing?
Playing with toys.
Playing with toys?
Yeah.
Cool.
Good legs.
Going under their legs?
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. We got the boys off to school. Hallelujah, we're already doing a lot better than yesterday, but I have a lot to do. I have a lot of laundry, I have a lot of cleaning, I have a lot of stuff to do, and I feel like it's never ending. Party planning, shower planning, so I gotta get going on some stuff. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film, but I wanted to say good morning, and I hope you're all having a great day. Did you have a good day at school? Yeah, what did you learn about?
20 minutes later.
Firefighters.
Firefighters? Are you kidding me? Do you know where we get to go tomorrow?
The firefighter station.
The fire station? Are you excited? Yeah? I heard you have some cool stuff you made at school though. You want to show me?
Yeah. I have a note.
That's a certificate. It says that you can stop, drop, and roll. Okay, so what do you do if you're on fire?
Stop.
Okay.
Then jump. Then run.
Good job, bud. I definitely, are you okay? That kind of hurt your head. You definitely earned that certificate. And then did you color this fire truck?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Look how well you wrote your name, Carson. Good job, baby. Look how well you colored that. Good job, cute boy. And what's this one?
Stickers.
Stickers, what letter is that?
F.
F.
Firefighter.
Cool.
There's like fire and fire, put out.
Fire and water. Okay, and then what did you do on this one?
They have to go lowercase to big.
Lowercase and uppercase matching?
You.
Good job, smart boy. I love you.
Love you. Hope you're having a good day.
Come on. Hi. Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi. I love you. Ah! Another cutie's home from school. How was it?
Good.
Good. Who'd you play with today?
Carter.
Sis, are you getting him? Are we gonna stay in comfy clothes today? You saw it there, guys. According to Kinlee, we're staying in comfy clothes all day. But look, dude, I want to show some of the cool stuff. You got 100% on this math test. Oh, see?
100%.
But I got your kindergarten progress report. It says a star is mastered and a circle means to keep practicing. You got lots of mastered stars, dude. Hey, high five. Way to go, bro. You're welcome, muchacho. Ken. Wait, come do it again. That was funny. I love you, Tiny.
I love you.
Look at these current weather conditions. Got snow falling. Dark and stormy and cold. And I secretly love it. Have you heard of the polar bear plunge? Or how about a 29-year-old father of 4 freezing his butt off for no reason? Because that's what's about to happen. I don't know why, but just watch. Just watch what's going down. You've heard of the polar bear plunge. You've heard of men that are so mentally tough. Okay, here he goes. We're not sure what's about to happen, but he got home from work and this is what he wanted to do.
I want to go swimming, guys. But there's a pool way out there, so I'm just gonna go in the snow.
Stay here, boys. Watch out the window. Oh my god! Oh my god! What are you doing? Guys, I don't don't know what's happening.
Snowing! Not too bad out here.
Give us a snow angel. I dare ya.
Okay.
I don't know. He has a hot shower going, ready for him.
So hot. Burns. Needles.
He has his pants in the water? That's silly. Is Dad crazy?
I wanna go!
No, Coco. You survive?
Feel rejuvenated.
Nice.
Alive.
Nice.
Really. Coda threw it in the shower. I can't use it.
I told Coda to give Cody that towel and he threw it in the shower too.
Yeah.
Was it that bad? Was it freezing?
It wasn't as bad as I thought.
Yeah?
But then when I got in here, my fingers and feet were numb.
Oh.
You live and you learn.
Oh
Don't
God.
go swimming in the snow.
Oh God. Is Daddy crazy?
Women and no.
He was swimming in the snow.
No. Voila and no.
Oh my heck.
Okay, so today is Thursday and I'm supposed to cook dinner on Wednesday, which I didn't. So I'm gonna get food here and I got Coda with me. We're gonna get some food.
I got very tall.
I feel like we come here like every day. We need to do better at deciding what the heck we're getting for food, so we don't have to come here every day. Woo, snow! Okay, I made it home. Today, I am going to attempt Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme.
New spicy chicken Crunchwrap Supreme.
Wish me luck.
Nacho cheese. Teriyaki. Everywhere. Nacho. Cheese. Cheese.
What?
Nacho cheese. Come on.
You like it, Coco? Super yum, huh?
Oh yeah!
Oh, yummy. Oh, yummy.
It's yummy? Yeah. Good. That's what I like to hear. Okay, we finished our Crunchwrap Supremes, which were awesome. And these guys were just so energized. I said, go work out. Nice. And now 10 more.
Okay.
Okay, the been watching Captain Underpants a little bit.
Ow!
What is this guy doing? Good job, dude. Awesome.
Now go back.
Kinlee, you working out too? Working on your flying methods? Yeah. What is going on? You got some energy by drinking out of the faucet? Coda said he's getting some energy. Canyon thought he needed to go get a drink to get some energy. Oh boy. What are you guys doing? Yeah, definitely way too much energy. Oh, you wasted it all? Where'd it go? It went in there, apparently.
The funniest part about him being surprised or shocked by their energy is that he obviously didn't just see himself an hour ago in the snow. Must have missed that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You did the big
Yeah, I did, huh?
You did the big bucket.
You okay?
That was really scary.
That was really scary?
Yeah.
Scary?
We doing that.
Oh, no, get down.
Do you know what you did? You did that for and it broke.
Yeah, I did, huh?
When we
I broke one of these lights when we were building our house. You okay? Okay. Oh boy, what are we doing? Well, everyone, that is it for us today. We've had a great day. Good night. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh my
Okay.